today, for math, we are going to play a game called Measuring Handfuls. And we are going to measure handfuls of frogs and butterflies. And we will have anywhere between 11 and 19 of those objects. And we are going to decide by giving an estimate of how many frogs are hiding and how many butterflies are hiding. And an estimate is a smart guess. So when we are making our estimate, we are just making our best guess. So let's get started. So when you play this on your own, you're going to work with problem number 1, and then you're going to move on to problem number 2. So you're not going to peek under here, you're going to wait. Okay, first we're going to work with frogs. It says how many frogs are hiding. So we need to take a quick peek and take our best guess or make an estimate of how many frogs we think are hiding. So let's take a quick peek. I hope your eyes are on the target. Here we go. So let's see, we know that we have to pick a number between 11 and 19. So I think that my estimate is going to be 15. So I am going to come down here to my calculator and I'm going to write 15. And then I'm done. And then I'm going to move my 15 here because this line is next to where it says my estimate, because we don't know how many frogs are under there yet. So we haven't counted them. Whoops. Now we can take a better look and we can figure out how many frogs are under there, and that will be our actual number of frogs, and we'll write that number right here. So let's take a better look. Okay, now it might be hard to count these frogs if I just count them using my cursor. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to get my pen with the squiggly line and I'm going to click it and I'm going to make a line in my frogs as I'm counting. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Using my pen made it a lot easier to count my frogs, but I'm going to turn my pen off now, so I have to come back over here and click it and make sure that it has a blue background. So we had 12 frogs. So let's write the number 12 with our calculator. I know a 12 is a 1 and a 2, and I push done, and then we have the number 12 right here. So now let's build the number 12 using our green frogs. I know that when I look at the number 12 that the 1 tells me that I have one group of 10 and 2 ones. So let's come over here to our frogs and pick up our group of 10 and let's let them hop right in there. And I know that I need 2 ones, so that means that I need 2 little frogs. 1, 2. Good. And now we built the number 12. 12 is one group of 10. That's what we have here in this 10 frame. And then we have 2 ones. Great work. Now let's go to the second problem. And notice that I didn't do both at the same time. That would get to be a little tricky. I did problem number 1 first and then problem number 2. So I hope your eyes are on the target, because now we're going to see how many butterflies are hiding behind this shade. All right, get ready. Here I go. I'm going to do it quick. Ooh, I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I'll guess. I'm going to guess 13. All right. So my best guess is 13. So let me come down to my calculator, and I know that the number 13 is a 1 and a 3, and that's my best guess. Okay, and now we have to count how many butterflies we really have. That number will go right here, and this says the actual number, so that's the number of the butterflies that we really have. All right, let's take a look, and again I'm going to go over here and I'm going to get my pen with the squiggly line. I'm going to click it, and then I know it's on because it has a white background and the pen is facing down, so it's ready to write. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Look at that! My estimate is the same number as the actual number. That was a pretty good guess. All right, so we'll write the number 13 again, and I know the number 13 is a 1 and a 3, and then I push done. So here we go. And then I put it right here on this line. So I noticed something about my numbers here. They're the same, so that means they're equal. 13 equals 13. So now let's build 13. So I know that when I look at this number, that the 1 in teen numbers, and 13 is a teen number, the 1 tells me that I have one group of 10. And the 3 tells me that I have 3 ones. So let's go over here to the butterflies and get a group of 10 butterflies and let them fly right into the 10 frame, because now I have my one group of 10 butterflies, and now I need 3 butterflies. So let's get our 3. 1, 2, 3. So now I have 13. I have one group of 10 and 3 ones, and that's what the number 13 says. It has one group of 10 and 3 ones. I hope you enjoyed playing Measuring Handfuls, and I hope you have fun doing this on your own. Until next time, goodbye.